Okay students, now back to our video. So discuss the last topic students, fishery management. First one is the completely capture fishery, the detail of capture fishery, the type of capture fishery, the definition of capture fishery. Now example of the next one student, the second category of type culture fishery student. So what's the main meaning of culture fishery? Okay students, so once again students, what's the main definition of capture fishery? Students, capture fishery actually catch or capture the fishes from only sea water. Got it? Now what is complete the culture fishery? Students, culture fishery is only the capture the fishes from only fresh water. There is a similar difference between capture fishery and culture fishery. I repeat again students, capture fishery is only capture the fishes from sea water, means the completely marine water, and the culture fishery is nothing but catch the fishes only from fresh water or aquatic water. It is also called students capture fishery. So I will write on the board the definition of culture fishery. So capture the fishes from only fresh water or aquatic water. It is also called students a completely culture fishery. Okay, so similar difference between capture fishery and culture fishery. Capture fishes from sea water, so keep in your mind, and capture the fishes only from fresh water. This is the difference between capture fishery and culture fishery. Now discuss students what's the main detailed information of culture fishery. Okay, so clear cut students, capture the fishes from only fresh water. Now actually condition based on only based on the medium of the zone. So the main point to you students, medium of zone area or medium of zone should be catch the fishes like fresh water is also called culture fishery. Clear students? So what is the main example of this management? The main example of this management students, first example, fresh water prawns. Okay, now second one students, fresh water crabs. Okay, now third example students, the complete fresh water lobsters. What is that? Fresh water lobsters. It is the main three example of students, the culture fishery and the freshwater fisheries, and also example prawns, freshwater prawns, freshwater crabs and freshwater lobsters. This is the three important definite example of culture fishery. This is the whole concept of students fishery management or aquaculture. Now discuss about next lecture students, what is the main demanding or what is the main actually based on demand and high consumer of product to exotic or selling fishes. Discuss now in this lecture students. Okay, so heading on the board, the important students, exotic fishes or exotic product. The main important exotic product. All the type of entrance level they ask about only exotic product of the fishes. Okay, now discuss about example of exotic product from India. First one students, katla is also known as students katla fish. Okay, one of the first example students, katla fish, scientific name of katla, generally also called katla fish, our Indian general name. This is the main best high demand and consuming product of exotic fish, katla fish. Now second one students, Sirhinus mrigala. It is the universal scientific name of fish, Sirhinus mrigala. So Indian term also called students mrigal. Shortly called student what the mrigal. Mrigal is also Indian term. So scientific name is also called Sirhinus mrigala. Second, high demand, high consuming fish like exotic fish, Sirhinus mrigala. Okay. Now third one students actually Labio rohita. What is that? The scientific name of Labio rohita generally is also called student rohu fish. What is it called? The rohu fish. So this is the main three high demand and consuming product of fish: exotic fish, katla fish, mrigal fish, and also rohu fish. The scientific name of students is katla and Sirhinus mrigala and Lobio rohita is the three scientific name of our exotic high demand fishes. So this is the students the main need point of your example exotic fishes. Clear students? Now what next? Next level of students actually and what is the common exotic fishes from India. So हम यहाँ पे ये सीखना है कि स्टूडेंट इंडिया से हाईली डिमांडेड एंड हाई कंज्यूमिंग प्रोडक्ट ये जो है थ्री फिशेस एंड जनरली कॉमनली जो फिशेस हम यहाँ से इंडिया से हम एक्सोटिक कर रहे हैं दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड कॉमन एक्सोटिक फिशेस. सो राइट हेडिंग ऑन द बोर्ड स्टूडेंट्स कॉमन एक्सोटिक फिशेस. सो
वो इस पे उपयोग होता है.
So common exotic fishes. So first of all student, first example, what is it? Common grass crawfish is the first important general common exotic fish, and second one students, silver crop fish, it is the second important exotic fish. Once again silver crop fish, a common exotic fish from India. And third one students only crab fish. This is the third one, three common exotic fishes and three high demanded and high consumptive value exotic fishes. This is the difference between high demand exotic fishes students and common exotic fishes. So this is the difference between commonly and also the exotic demanded fishes. So this is the students important of exotic fishes and common exotic fishes. Okay, so we'll discuss the next lecture about economical importance of aquaculture. Okay, thank you.